I often get asked what software I use to design my football kits and why I choose Photoshop, especially when there are several free alternatives out there. The truth is, Photoshop just works incredibly well for me. I've tried other programs as well, but Photoshop has always felt the most natural and efficient. One major advantage of the current version of Photoshop is its built-in artificial intelligence. This feature has been a totally game changer for me. It speeds up my work and helps me achieve results that would take much longer with other tools. In this video I want to show you how I personally use AI in the Photoshop and its tasks that help me and most importantly how fast and efficient the whole process become thanks to it. I choose this one, that's the new kit from VfL Wolfsburg for the season 25-26. Is the home kit, and as you can see there are some logos on the kit itself, which covers the design, the rains, the sun rays we could call them, which are flowing from the logo. I use it I show you how I use it. I choose a selection tool, make a selection around it, and click on this one, generative fill. Now I could type something, but Photoshop is so intelligent, or the AI in Photoshop is so intelligent that it could or will make a fill from the pixels which are around the logo. I will show you it. I hit generate. Now it generates with the artificial intelligence some images which I could use into it, and the results will be seen here upright. And as you can see, for example, this one could be used to replace the logo. Now I go back to the layer of the kit, select this logo, and again click generative fill and generate, and I will wait for the result. As you can see, the results are in a mask, so you can turn on and off them after the generation will finish. When I hit it, then it will disappear. And as you can see, Photoshop already generated few images that could be used as this one, and same with the Nike logo. Again, generative fill, generate. We'll wait a bit. Again, really nice looking fill generated with AI. And the last one is the tag of Nike. Again, generative fill, generate. And as you can see, you can choose one, for example this one. You have a white area here, so I can zoom a little bit in, and with the selection tool I will erase this one and I fill it with black. That was a shortcut, Ctrl F5. Fill it with black. And now I can merge this all into one and have a kit without the logos on it. What I would do now would be I would go to select, color range, I would pick a color, for example the basic green one, would set it to 100 for example, or maybe a little bit less, 80, would hit select, then inverse the selection and make a copy from it. And if you can see, if I would go to the color overlay of it, and I would set it to this one, I have now a template. I could make it a little bit better with the same technique. That means go to color range again, set it to, I don't know, or set only this color for 130, select it, make a new selection from it, and once again color overlay. As you can see, all the red parts from it are already from the design itself. If I would change this one to, for example, white, then you can see how would I make the new logo from the original kit. This one needs to be a little bit fine-tuned to be a great result on a kit, but these are the basic steps I would do it with the artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see us in the next tutorial soon. Goodbye.